Plant FAQs, Colocasia Coffee Cup. The allure of the Colocasia coffee cups, a plant enthusiast guide. Few plants capture the imagination quite like the Colocasia coffee cups. Its name is a delightful understatement. The foliage isn't just cup-shaped. It's a captivating display of sculpted green, boasting deep olive tones and striking mocha veins that snake across the surface. As a plant enthusiast, I've been utterly captivated by this unique variety, and I'm here to share everything I've learned about cultivating and appreciating this stunning addition to any garden. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What makes Colocasia coffee cup special? The coffee cups Colocasia, also known as coffee cups elephant ear, Colocasia esculenta coffee cups, is a captivating member of the Araceae family. Unlike its flat-leafed cousins, the coffee cups boast dramatic, cupped foliage. The leaves unfurl with a deep pocket, resembling, you guessed it, a coffee cup. This cupping isn't just for aesthetics. It actually serves a purpose. As the leaf fills with rainwater, the flexible stem allows it to gently tilt, spilling the excess water before refilling. This ingenious design helps prevent the leaves from becoming overloaded, especially in areas with heavy rainfall. Beyond the cup, distinguishing coffee cups from proven winners varieties. While the coffee cups moniker is widely used, there's a distinction to be made between the standard coffee cups Colocasia and varieties offered by Proven Winners, a renowned plant breeder. Proven Winners coffee cups Colocasia, often marketed under the Mizzou brand, is a specific cultivar known for its compact size and reliable performance. The standard coffee cups Colocasia can grow quite large, reaching heights of up to 4 feet. Proven Winners version, on the other hand, typically stays around 2 to 3 feet tall, making it ideal for container gardening or smaller spaces. Another potential difference lies in the leaf variegation. The standard coffee cups tends towards a more solid olive green with mocha veins, while Proven Winners version may showcase slightly lighter green tones and a touch more prominent variegation. How to care for Colocasia coffee cup. Bringing a coffee cups Colocasia into your life is a rewarding experience, but it thrives with proper care. Here's a breakdown of what your leafy friend needs to flourish. Light. Coffee cups Colocasia prefers dappled sunlight or partial shade. Direct sun can scorch the delicate leaves. Soil. Opt for a rich, well-draining potting mix. Adding organic matter like compost can provide extra nutrients and improve drainage. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid soggy conditions which can lead to root rot. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Temperature. Coffee cups Colocasia enjoys warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost and cold drafts. Fertilizer. During the growing season, a balanced liquid fertilizer applied every few weeks can promote healthy growth. Propagating your coffee cups legacy, sharing the plant's magic. Once you've witnessed the captivating beauty of your coffee cups Colocasia, you might be tempted to share it with others. Luckily, propagation is relatively straightforward. Here's how to create new plants. Division. In spring or early summer, carefully dig up the main plant and separate the corms, underground storage organs. Each healthy corm can be potted up individually to create new plants. Leaf cuttings. This method takes longer but can be successful. Take a healthy leaf with a short section of the stem attached. Plant the stem in a pot filled with moist potting mix and maintain consistent moisture. With patience, new growth should emerge from the base of the stem. Planting partners. Creating a Colocasia coffee cups oasis. The dramatic foliage of the coffee cups Colocasia makes it a stunning focal point. However, it also pairs beautifully with other plants to create a vibrant and dynamic display. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Ferns. Ferns with delicate, feathery fronds offer a lovely contrast to the bold leaves of the coffee cups. Hostas. Hostas come in a variety of colors and textures, adding depth and interest to the planting scheme. Begonias. The vibrant blooms of begonias complement the cool tones of the coffee cups foliage. Caladiums. The colorful foliage of caladiums creates a playful and eye-catching combination. I spent a whole summer trying to decide between a coffee cups and tea cups Colocasia for my patio. Both have these amazing, giant, cupped leaves that hold rainwater. It's like a little water show every time it rains. In the end, I went with the coffee cups. The leaves on mine have this beautiful sheen to them, almost iridescent, which the teacups seem to lack. Plus, the coffee cups grew a bit taller, reaching up to my shoulder by the end of the season, which gave my patio a more dramatic feel. They both seem pretty low maintenance though, happy as long as I kept the soil moist. By incorporating these tips and tricks, you can cultivate a thriving coffee cups colocasia that will add a touch of the tropics to your garden or indoor space. With its captivating foliage and fascinating features, this unique plant is sure to become a treasured conversation starter in your collection.